Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good, and today I'm back again with a brand new video. And today we're gonna make some decorative items with things that are easily available at home, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. Alright, so let's begin.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Need some me time. Do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause I New York the shell. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Get some me time. Do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. Do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. Do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Like a glimpse from the past, dark in a frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done since we used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity, full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You took me more than one month. I just think the empathy so I see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. If we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in its hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let it through. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around.
Alright, so here it is. We're all done with this piece. So I hope you guys liked the painting and the idea. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please like this video, share this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notifications. Do comment down what other videos can I make for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.